Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to use Base44 for beginners. If you've ever wanted to build an app but you don't know how to code, this video is made for you. Base44 is one of the easiest ways to create apps using just simple text. You describe what you want and it builds everything for you automatically. It's fast, simple, and honestly, a little mind-blowing. So let's start from the beginning. First, go to the Base44 website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean dashboard with an option to create a new app. Just click on that and you'll see a big prompt box. This is where the magic happens. You don't have to worry about code or settings. All you need to do is type in what kind of app you want. For example, you could say create a contact form app where users can enter their name, email, and message. Then click generate. After a few seconds, Base44 will build a working app for you. It will automatically design the layout and connect the back end so the data is stored correctly. You'll see the preview on your screen and you can actually test the app right there. It's really that simple. Now let's break down what's happening. Base44 uses AI to understand your text and turn it into working code under the hood. It builds the interface using modern web design tools and also sets up things like storage, authentication, and data handling. You don't have to configure any servers or databases, which saves a ton of time. Let's say you want to adjust the app. Maybe you want to change the colors or add another section. You can just type another instruction like make the background white and the buttons blue, or add a thank you message. After the form is submitted, the AI will instantly update the app and show you the new version. This part is great because it lets you design everything visually without switching tabs or editing code manually. If you don't want to start from scratch, Base44 also gives you templates. These templates are like pre-made apps that you can customize. You'll find templates for contact pages, booking systems, e-commerce stores, and even full dashboards. To use one, go to the template section, choose the one you like, and click Clone. Once it's copied to your workspace, you can edit it just like before. For beginners, I recommend starting with something simple, like a contact form or a personal portfolio. These types of apps are perfect to learn how Base44 works. You'll get to see how pages are connected and how the data flows from form submission to database storage. Another cool thing about Base44 is that you can connect your app to other tools. For example, if you want to receive an email every time someone fills out your form, you can ask the AI to add that function. Just type something like, send me an email notification when a new message is submitted. Base44 will handle all the back-end setup automatically. Once you're happy with how your app looks and works, it's time to publish it. Base44 gives you a publish button that hosts your app on their platform. You can then share the link or even embed it into your existing website. No need to pay for separate hosting or domain setup. The app is live in just a few clicks. If you ever need to make updates after publishing, you can simply go back to your project and make changes. The platform automatically keeps everything in sync, which means your app stays up to date instantly. So to summarize, using Base44 for beginners is all about 3 simple steps. Describe, build, and publish. You describe what you want. The AI builds it for you and you publish it online. It takes what used to be a weeks-long coding process and compresses it into minutes. Base44 is still improving, but it's already one of the fastest and most beginner-friendly AI builders out there. Whether you're creating something for school business or just experimenting, it's a great way to bring your ideas to life. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore Base44 yourself and try building your first app. The best way to learn is by doing. And trust me, once you see how easy it is to make your first app, you'll want to keep experimenting with more ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.